that we're entering a period of great uncertainty where we're dealing with things we've never dealt with before. And normally the first time you deal with something totally novel, you get it wrong. And we can't afford to get it wrong with these things.
Do you ever worry about ending up like Robert Oppenheimer?
I worry about those kinds of scenarios all the time. That's why I don't sleep very much.
It's called the singularity. It's it's a singularity like a black hole, because you don't know what happens after that. It's hard to predict.
I think that in the next decade, for example, most diseases might be curable with the help of AI.
I think it will be able to do anything that any human can do. Possibly within the next year or two.
The AI shaping your media feed is very different from the AI that's going to change the whole world. Once you know the difference, this whole AI landscape gets a lot less scary and way more interesting. I'm a producer, actor, and mum of two. Life is incredibly busy, so I started learning AI to be more efficient and make life just that little bit easier. And understanding these different types of AI gives us a kind of map so we can see where we are now and where we're heading. So let's break it down in real world terms and get a clearer picture on this. At its core, artificial intelligence is just tech that tries to mimic human intelligence, like learning, solving problems, and even chatting with you now. But the way AI mimics human intelligence and how advanced or capable it becomes depends on the type of AI we're dealing with. Now, some are simple and task-focused, while others are still just very much theories that are ultimately one day expected to match and even surpass human thinking. So let's dive in. Imagine AI like levels in a video game. Each level is smarter than the one before, and we've got 3 clear levels here. So the first level, level 1, is narrow AI. This is the specialist. This is what we currently use every day. It's amazing at one specific tasks like unlocking your phone with your face, recommending your next YouTube video, or what to buy next on Amazon. So for example, if you're scrolling on social media and you lose an hour, easily done. And you've gone from one video to the next video to the next video. That's narrow AI doing its thing. It's basically learning patterns from your behavior. So it looks at the types of videos that you're watching and even the ones that you're hovering over for just a couple of seconds. There's a lot of different variables that it's looking at. And then it feeds you more of that along with loads of stuff related to that you can buy, of course. Or on the flip side of that, we've also got these amazing tools that have been launched in the last couple of years, and they work like magic. And they use a couple of different things. So firstly, natural language processing. This enables machines to understand and process human language, like we've seen in LLMs like ChatGPT and Claude. We have generative AI. This focuses on creating new content like text, images, or music, as we've seen in tools like Midjourney and Suno. This is all narrow AI, and this is where we are today. It's supporting us, and it's making us much more efficient and buy more things. The next level is general AI, or AGI, artificial general intelligence. So this next level does not exist yet. You'll hear a lot of people talking about this because it's quite a biggie. This is when AI becomes as smart and as flexible as a human. So this is when it's as smart as we are. And it will then be able to switch between tasks, to think critically, and even be creative. So imagine an AI that could plan your meals, help your kids do their homework, and then analyze your monthly budget, all without having to go through different apps or even being told to do that. This is the level of adaptability that we're talking about with general AI. It wouldn't just wait for instructions. It would anticipate your needs, understand the context, and act on its own across a wide range of tasks, just like a human assistant who knows you really well. And predictions on when this will happen are varied. Some people are saying it could be achieved even within the next year or two. Others are saying more like 5 years. Some are even saying 10 years. But this is coming soon. and how AGI is then kind of incorporated into our daily lives and how fast it's incorporated is a whole nother question that they don't know yet. Our third level is Super AI, the final boss. This is the top level and it is still purely theoretical. This is when Super AI would be smarter than humans at everything. Could it solve climate change? Maybe. Could it wipe us out by accident? Possibly. And that's why it is such a hot topic in ethics and safety circles, and why you see heavyweights like Elon Musk essentially campaigning for governance of AI, because nobody has any idea what will happen. It is a black hole that is coming, and experts can't even agree on when or even if Super AI will arrive. Some say it could be decades away, while others believe it might never happen at all. But the fact that it is being very seriously discussed by leaders in all the countries means that we do need to pay attention to it now. So to summarise, narrow AI is what we have now. It's focused and supportive. General AI, or AGI, is the next big step. It doesn't exist yet, but researchers are trying very hard. And Super AI is where things get wild. This is sci-fi level and we don't know when or if this will be reached. So this is not just for scientists anymore, it's really for all of us. Understanding this stuff matters because the more we know, the better questions we can ask, the better decisions that we can make, and we can get involved in how AI is going to shape our future. So there we have it, the different types of AI and what it means for us. How is AI changing your daily tasks? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hit subscribe for more easy to follow real world AI insights. I'm Lisa, thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.